Click on the link below to get price. The A3 DTF printer is a game-changing addition for anyone in the DIY apparel industry, offering a seamless experience in direct-to-film printing. This model stands out with its user-friendly interface and a range of features that make it accessible to both beginners and experienced printers alike. One of the most notable aspects of the A3 DTF printer is its print quality. The vibrant colors and crisp details produced by this machine are impressive, allowing for intricate designs and bold graphics. Users will appreciate the precise color reproduction that can elevate any t-shirt project, making it perfect for custom apparel, promotional items, or personal use. The printer supports a variety of materials, making it versatile for different types of fabric, which is a significant advantage for those wanting to experiment with various products. Setup is straightforward, with clear instructions provided, ensuring users can get started quickly. The printer is equipped with advanced technology that minimizes maintenance requirements, a plus for individuals who may not have a lot of spare time for upkeep. Additionally, the A3 format allows for larger prints, accommodating more complex designs without compromising quality. Furthermore, the printing speed is commendable, reducing the time spent on each project. This efficiency is particularly beneficial for small businesses looking to fulfill orders rapidly. The DTF transfer process is also straightforward. Users can quickly print, transfer, and cure designs without excessive hassle. However, it is essential to note that initial costs can be higher than traditional printers, especially when considering supplies like film and inks. Despite this, the investment proves worthwhile for those serious about their printing endeavors. Overall, the A3 DTF printer is an excellent choice for anyone looking to create high-quality, custom prints. Its combination of quality, speed, and ease of use makes it a top contender in the market for direct-to-film printers, ultimately delivering exceptional results for all levels of expertise.